How to top up Dasher guys using AXS. Ito, top up services. So, may option siyang DOS. So, continue. So, you want to top up. Enter no mobile number. Okay, ating mobile number is enter mobile number, then amount, example 60, then continue. Okay, proceed, then insert card, insert na ating card, and savings. Okay, so nag-try ako nito guys. Enter. Please remove your card, collect your receipt, and that's it. Naka-top up na tayo ng $60.